guys, I really hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how you can remove your suntan easily at home. Suntans are really stubborn. अगर एक बार हो जाती है then remove करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाती है. Now I do this very basic thing, like a very basic procedure to get rid of suntan, and trust me, this works like a magic. बहुत ही पुरानी एक what should I say, a remedy है that I personally follow, but I have separated this whole procedure in 3 parts. फेस क्लीनअप हम लोग जैसे करते हैं वैसे बॉडी क्लीनअप होगी, बट फेस क्लीनअप पे क्या होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेप्स हो जाती है, whereas इस प्रोसीड्योर में ओनली 3 स्टेप्स है. एक हो जाएगी आपकी क्लेंजिंग, देन हो जाएगी एक्सफोलिएशन, एंड थर्ड मास्क. आई विल नॉट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ फेक प्रॉमिस बाय सेइंग दैट इट विल रिमूव योर suntan instantly, but I can say that after doing this whole procedure for 2 to 3 times it will remove your suntan, and after using it for the first time आपको वो noticeable difference दिख जाएगी. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the intro. Now let's move on to the actual thing. Now let's see how I get rid of my suntan easily at home. As I mentioned earlier that I have segregated this whole procedure in 3 steps. So our first step will be cleansing, and to make our homemade DIY cleanser we will be needing rice flour and rose water. You can adjust the quantity according to your preference, but I would say that बहुत ज़्यादा मत ले लेना. We are using it as a cleanser, not as a scrub. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it prevents itchiness, inflammation, also soothes our skin. It repairs skin's natural barrier and protects our skin from pollution and free radical damages. It reduces suntan and also sun damage. For exfoliation, I will be using Mamaearth Upton body scrub with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. Trust me guys, it's a game changing product. Recently मैं vacation के लिए गई थी बीच पे, and आने के बाद I tanned horribly. It has got so many benefits, and as we all know that Mamaearth always ensure to use natural ingredients in their products, and that's why I love this product. Now Mamaearth is a PETA certified cruelty free brand, and their products are free from harmful chemicals, parabens, sulfates and all of those things. If you wish, you can use my coupon code, which is this, on mamaearth.in to get 20% off, and Mamaearth products are easily available on mamaearth.in, Nykaa, Purple, Amazon. So you can check these products on these websites also. If you want to get extra discounts and early access to sale, then you have to download Mamaearth app. The Mamaearth body scrub is enriched with saffron and turmeric. Turmeric is a natural and super potent antioxidant. It reduces suntan. Saffron soothes our skin and adds a natural radiance to our skin. It lightens dark spots and makes our skin look way more brighter and younger. This body scrub removes suntan, hydrates our skin. This product is dermatologically tested and it's suitable for all skin types. This scrub also got walnut beads that exfoliate our skin gently and makes our skin smooth and refreshed. This body scrub not only removes suntan but also promotes even skin tone, as it contains turmeric, which is rich in antioxidants. It protects our skin cells from free radical damages. To make our body pack, we will be needing red lentil powder. You can just simply grind some red lentil to make powder out of it. After that, I will be taking besan. Our third ingredient is aloe vera gel. In case you don't have aloe vera gel, you can opt for rose water or normal water. Our fourth ingredient is lemon juice. And one warning for you guys is that don't do this procedure right after coming from the sun. Mix all the ingredients together to form a paste. Now red lentil or masoor dal is loaded with essential proteins and nutrients like vitamins and minerals. It cleanses our pores deeply and removes dirt and impurities. It works as a natural exfoliator also. It removes dead skin cells, acne and blackheads, leaves our skin smooth and dirt free. And we all know the benefits of besan. It helps in removing suntan. It lightens our skin. It reduces oiliness. It lightens dark arms and neck. And it works as a body scrub also, but we are making a pack, so yeah. Aloe vera gel soothes our skin. It reduces redness and infection and also fights with skin aging. Lemon juice is a great antioxidant. It contains vitamin E that helps to reduce skin damage and also premature aging. Apply the body pack evenly and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash with normal water. Now I personally do this procedure twice a week, but it's completely up to you. अगर आपको हफ्ते में 2 बार करनी है देन आप कर सकते हो, या तो 1 बार करोगे तो भी चलेगा, बट अगर 1 बार करते हो ना देन वो रिजल्ट मिलने में थोड़ी सी टाइम लग जाएगी. सो या दैट्स दैट. सो विद दैट वी कंप्लीटेड टुडेज वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. देयर आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग some other informations as well. See you guys soon. Bye and take care.